Today we have a special treat for you. I'm going to make a chicken and veggie stir fry on a crispy potato bird's nest. You can cut the skin off the potato using a potato peeler or a knife, and just give the potatoes a good rinse after you cut it into shoestring potatoes. So I'm going to cut this potato into slices. So first cut it into slices, and then what you do is you cut it into shoestring potatoes. So I'm using russet potatoes. They're ideal for French fries. Wash the potatoes in cold water just to get rid of the starches on the surface. Then we're going to put an egg in there. About 3 tablespoons of cornstarch here. Just mix it together. So you got 1 egg and about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to bind the shoestring potatoes together to form the nest. So you're going to slowly lower the basket into the oil. So that's really dangerous if you put it in too fast. Sometimes if it starts to rise in the middle, just hold it down with a spatula or another strainer. For crispier bird's nest, deep fry it twice. So first time for about 2 or 3 minutes, take it out, let it cool off for say 5 to 10 minutes, and then redo it again for another 2 or 3 minutes. So you just tap it a couple times here and there. So this will help the bird's nest come out easier. So just get right underneath it and it comes off clean. Just like that. So preheat a wok at medium heat. Put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. And I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of sliced ginger. So I got about 4 ounces of chicken here, maybe 6 ounces of chicken here. So put the chicken in, give it a good sear for about 30 seconds. I'm going to turn the heat on to high now. So just give that a quick sear. I got the chicken in fairly big pieces. At this point, put about a teaspoon of sesame oil in there. I like the sea salt, so I put half to 1 teaspoon of sea salt. I'm going to put the veggies in. So we got red pepper, green peppers, mushrooms, and onions. So this is enough to make 2 or 3 bird's nests. I'm going to put a tablespoon of oyster flavor sauce. That's my favorite sauce. I'm going to hit it with a 1/4 cup of water. So it's got 1 ladle on my ladle size. So this will help steam the veggies. So I've got 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/3 cup of water. Just mix that together. So put that in to thicken the sauce. So you might not need the whole thing, but if you do, you can always add extra water if it gets too thick. So just put the stir fry in the middle of the potatoes bird's nest. There you have it, chicken and veggie stir fry on a crispy potato bird's nest. Enjoy.